Pwede kayong sumabay. Akapela lang, no? Kasi baka hindi ako makasabay sa ano eh. Sa music eh. When you walk through the storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky and the sweet silver song of the Lord. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. Maraming pong salamat. Sa huling mensahe ko po, ito huling-huli na lang. Hindi po lahat ng magagandang lalaki ay nag-aartista. Yung iba po naglilingkod sa simbahan. Maraming salamat po.
Pinasaya mo ang sambayanang Pilipino. Nakalimutan niya sabihin na hindi lang birthday niya ng December 26, namatay yung kanyang ama ng December 16, isinilang din ang kanyang anak ng December 24. At the same time, ang kanilang anibersaryo ay kahapon.